Meaning of fertility.
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 Fertility. Fertility refers to the ability of an organism, such as a plant or animal, to reproduce successfully. It is typically measured by the number of offspring produced or the success rate of reproduction. In humans, fertility refers to the ability to conceive and carry a pregnancy to term. Fertility can be affected by various factors, including genetics, age, lifestyle, and health conditions. For example, certain medical conditions or environmental factors can decrease fertility in both men and women. Maintaining good reproductive health and seeking medical advice when necessary can help maximize fertility potential.